Hi, my name is David Thompson. So here's a question for you. If you found a house that needed some repairs, is there a loan product that you can finance in all the repairs to the house along with your purchase? So here's a question. If you found a house that you absolutely love, but yet it has a lot of repairs, let's say it needs a brand new kitchen. Let's say you want some new appliances. It needs carpets, flooring. How about even windows or even a roof? Yes, there is a product. In fact, there's four of them that allow you to finance the repairs to the house. Most people don't know this. In fact, most realtors aren't aware of these products. So the first one is FHA from the Department of Housing and Urban Development. The next two are conforming loans. And they're from Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. And the fourth one is from the Veterans Administration. It's a VA loan. All four of these products have a loan product where you can finance in the repairs of a house. You actually have to get estimates, and then we have to pay a contractor to do the work. And you have typically 6 months to get that work done on the property. But there are exceptions. So if you want some information about these products and you're thinking about maybe buying a house that needs repairs, go ahead and give me a call. My number is right here, or email me. My name is David Thompson.